Welcome to all. Today discuss about the conduction problem. Given the problem, a furnace wall made up of 7.5 centimeter and 6.5 centimeter fire brick and mild steel plate respectively. Inside surface exposed to hot gas at 650 centigrade and outside air temperature 27 degree centigrade. The convective heat transfer coefficient for inner side is 60 watts per meter square Kelvin, and the convective heat transfer coefficient outside is 8 watts per meter square Kelvin. To calculate the heat transfer per square meter area of the furnace wall. Okay, this is the given problem. To solve this problem, first given the two bricks are given. One is the fire brick, another one is the mild steel plate, So this dimension of the plate is L1, another plate L2. The temperature of the given plates, the outside of the plate. So L1 distance 7.5 centimeter. L2 means 0.65 centimeter. The temperature T1, T2 and T3. This is both HCA and HB. These are the given data. Okay. So L1 equal to 7.5 centimeter. That is convert to meter 0.75 meter. Then L2 equal to 0.65 centimeter. And temperature T1 equal to centigrade. To convert to the Kelvin, something Kelvin. Then T2 equal to the 27 degree centigrade plus 273 equal to 300 Kelvin. When we given the heat transfer coefficient of inner side and outer side. Heat transfer coefficient of inner side means HCA equal to 660 watts per meter square Kelvin. HCA equal to outer heat transfer coefficient is 8 watts per meter square Kelvin. These are the given data. Next to find what is heat loss per square meter area. That is heat loss per meter square area per meter square. Okay. Next solution. We know that heat flow, that is Q equal to del P over R divided by R. This Q equal to del P means T1 minus T3. This maximum temperature minus minimum temperature. H equal to 1 by HA A plus L1 divided by K1 A plus L2 divided by K2 A plus 1 by HBTA. This is the given data for HMT data book. Okay. Then substitute the all values. T1, T3. 923 minus 300 divided by 1 by H here are given the value 60 into A plus L1 values are given 0.075 centimeter divided by K1 is not given. This data are available in HMT data book page number 34. Okay, K1 value is 1.0035 into A plus L2 value. L2 value is 0.0065 divided by K2 value is 5P6 into A, and remaining for 1 by HP. HP value is given 8 into. So simplifying the all values, so finally solve this equation. Q by A equal to 2907.79 watts per meter square. This is the heat loss per square meter area. So this is the conduction problem. So finally Q by A equal to 2907.79 watts per meter square. Okay, thank you.